Hello students, welcome back to class. We are doing exercise 5.4 of chapter number 5, class 8, square and square root. 4 questions we have done. What is question number 5? Question number 5 is, find the list number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the perfect number so obtained. What we have to do? This first question is 525. In this question, what must be added? What must be added? List number we have to find out that must be added to this number. And after adding, what number we will get? We have to find out square root of that number. Let us see. Find out square root of 525. 525. Start pairing one pair and then this 5 is unpaired. It is 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1, carry down next pair. Then double of this quotient is 4. Now think about one such number whose multiplication will be equals to 125 or less than 25. Let us try with 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 and 2 225. It is more. Multiply with 3. Check with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. This 129 is more than 125. So let us check with 2. It is 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 84. Right? 2 and there also 2. It is 120, 84. 184. 5 minus 4, 1. Only 84. 12 minus 8, 4. So 41 is remainder. Now see. Question is, what must be added? What must be added to this number? Let us see. If it was perfect square, then of 22, then remainder must be 0. But remainder is there something, then its mean its square is more than 22 square. So this 525 will lies between 22 square and 23 square. 23 square. What is 220 square? First of all, we are not going to check of 22 square. Otherwise, we can check what multiply to 22, 4, 4, 4, and then 4. It is 4, 8, 4, 484, 484, 525. What is 23 square? 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. 9, 5, 12 and 5, 529. 529. Let us see how we can get that number which must be added to this number. This number, if the number that must be added to 525 is, next number is 529, subtract 525 from this, you will get 4. This 4 is the smallest number that we have to add in 525. After adding 4, we will get 529. And now we have to find out square root of this number. Square root of this number will be 23. What will be square root of 529? 23. Next is 1750. 1750. In this question, we have to find out list number that must be add it to this number, so that it will become a perfect square number. Find out its square root by division method. Now 4 4 ja 16. It is 1, carry down next pair. Double of this 4 will be 8. Now check multiplication, check with 2. It is 2 2s are 4, 2 8 ja 16, is greater than 150. So I will write there 1 and 1. 10 minus 1, 9, and 14 minus 8, 6. Okay, so this 69 is a remainder. This is remainder. It is not a perfect square number, and its square root will be more than this 41. Means this 1750 is greater than 41 square, and it is smaller than 42 square. It is greater than 41 square and smaller than 42 square. So what number must be added? It's mean from there we will get an idea what must be added to the 1715, so as it will become a perfect square number. What will be square of 42? It is 2 2s are 4, 2 4 ja 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 4 ja 16, 4 6 7 1. Next is 1764. So what number must be added? Number is 14. That smallest number is 14 that must be added to 1750. 14 is the least number that must be added to 1750. That is 175 plus 14. It will be 1764. And now we have to find out square root of this number. What will be its square root? Its square root will be 42. Square root will be 42. What is next number? Next is 2252. What is next part? 252. 252. 252. Now same thing we have to do in this question. We have to find out smallest number that must be added to this number, so that it will become a perfect square number. And after that we have to find out its square root also. So start pairing. It is 1 1 ja 1. Remainder is 1. Next pair 52. Double of this quotient will be 2. Now check division of this number with your estimated digit, so that its multiplication is equals to or less than 152. Let us check. It is check with 4. 4 4 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8, and 1 9, 96. Check with 5. 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10. It is 125. Check with 26. 6 6 ja 36, 3 6 2 ja 12, and 3 15. 156 is larger than 152, so I will take at 5. That digit is 5. Write 5, and there also 5. Multiplication is 125. Now subtract. 12 minus 5, 7, and there 4 minus 2, 2. So remainder is 27. Now you can see that its square root will be more than 15. Its square root will be more than 15. It's mean this 252 will lies between 15 square and 16 square. 15 square is 225, which is smaller than 250, and 16 square is 256, which is greater than this 250. So from there we will get an idea what number we have to add in this 252. Now what is difference between 256 and 252? Of 4. So this 4 is the least number that must be added to 252, that is 252 plus 4. Answer is 256. And what is square root of 256? Its square root is 16. What will be its square root? 16. Let us do next part. What is next part? Next is 1825. 1825. Now in this number, what must be added so that it will become a perfect square number? So how we can find out that number? We will find out its square root by division method first. Let us find out. 4 4 ja 16. Remainder is 4. Remainder is 2. Then carry down next pair. 225. Its double will be 8. So think about one digit whose multiplication with this complete number will be equals to 225 or less than 225. 8 5s will be more. Then check with the 3. It is 3 3s 9, 3 8s 24, more than 8 2s 2 2s 4, 2 8s 16, 164. So I will write it 2. I got that digit 2. Now answer is 164, 164. What will be remainder? 1, 12 minus 6, 6. 61 is remainder. Now we got an idea that this 1825 will lies between 42 square and 43 square. So 1825, I will write it is in between 42 square and 43 square. So it is 40, if it was 42 square or it was perfect square, then it must be complete, means there should be remainder 0. But something remainder is 0. We are not getting remainder 0. It's mean its square root will be more than this 42. So what is multiplication of 43 with 43? 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Then 3 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16 and 17. It's 9 4 8 1. 1849. This 42 square 1825, 1849. So subtract 1825 from this, you will get 24. So 24 is the list number that must be added to 1825. That is, add 1825 plus 4, you will get 1849. And what will be its square root? Its square root will be 43. What will be its square root? 43. Next part of same question is, it is fifth part, 6412. 6412. It's fifth part of question number 5. Question number 5. So let us do this question. One pair, then next pair. 6 6 ja 36, 7 7 ja 49, 8 8 ja 64. It is 8 8 ja 64. Okay. Carry down next pair. Next pair is 12. Double of this quotient 16, then leave it as it is, or you will see if you will write there 0, then there must be written 0. And multiplication with it was larger and it is smaller number, then you will put 0 and then next 0 0 after decimal you will write 0 0 in this way. So you will write there 0 and 0. Multiplication with the 0 will be 0 0. So answer remainder is 12. Remainder is 12. So this number 6412 lying between 80 square and 81 square. 80 square and 81 square. 80 square will be 6400 and 6412 as it is. What will be 81 square? 81 square will be 1 8 8, 8 8 the 64, 1, 16, 5, 6. Answer is 6561. So what must be subtracted from this? What must be added to this number? So from this number we are going to subtract our given number. We will get an idea what must be subtracted from this number. 6412. 11 minus 2, 9, and 5 minus 1, 4, and there 1, 149. 149 is the number that must be added to this number, 6412. I will add 149, 1, then it will be 6, then 5 and 6. It is 6561. And what will be its square root? Its square root will be 81. Square root will be 81. Next, next question is, find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meters square. This is one square. Its area is 441 meter square. We need to find out its side. I will consider, let the side of square is, let side of square is x, x meter, then area of square is side into side, that is x into x, x square. But according to question, this area is given to us 441 meters square. Now applying square root on both sides. Applying square root on both sides. Apply. It will be x square 441 meters square. Now see, square to square root will be cancelled. X is equals to this 441 meter square. Its square root we have to find out. How you will find out its square root? By division method. 2 2s are 4. Carry down next pair 41. Double of this will be 4, then 1. Answer is, multiply with 1, 41. What is square root? 21. Its square root will be, write 441 meter square as it is, and it is 21 meter square. This meter square, 1 meter will be there. So what is side of this square? Side of square is 21 meter. Next question. Question number 7. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B. Draw one right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle, right angled at B. Now write A, B, C. If AB is 6 centimeter, AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter, and find out AC. This AC we have to find out. It is right angled at point B. Okay, let us solve it. In triangle ABC, AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter, and AC we have to find out. We know Pythagoras property. Applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. Applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. What is that? Base square plus perpendicular square is equals to hypotenuse square. This we can consider base. This will be hypotenuse, and this will be height of this triangle. So it is base square, height, or we can say perpendicular. Perpendicular, we can consider this AB. Base square plus perpendicular square is equals to hypotenuse square. What is base? Base is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter, it's a square. Perpendicular is 6 centimeter, it's a square, and hypotenuse square, that is AC square we have to find out. If according to this triangle I will say, then it will be AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. What is 8 square? 64 centimeter square, and it is 36 centimeter square is equals to AC square. 64 and 36, it is 100 centimeter square equals to AC square. Applying square root on both sides, then after this what you will get? Under root 100 centimeter square equals to AC square. Square to square root will be cancelled. Now this you can write 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter equals to AC. If square root you have to find out, then you have to take one out of this pair. One pair is there, 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, then you will write 10 centimeter equals to AC. So what will be height AC? It is 10 centimeter. Hypotenuse of this one triangle will be 10 centimeter. Next is, figure is same. One right angle triangle, right angled at B, A, B, C. What is given to us? AC is 13 centimeter, BC is 5. AC is 13 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeter. We have to find out AB. This AB we have to find out. In triangle ABC, applying, we can write what is given to us. Given this BC is 5 centimeter, this AC is 13 centimeter. Find out AB. Find AB. In this triangle, applying Pythagoras property. Applying Pythagoras property or Pythagoras. What is Pythagoras property in this triangle? It is perpendicular 90 degree. We can consider this BC is base. Means AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. Means base square plus perpendicular square is equals to hypotenuse square. Let us see what is given to us and what we need to find out. This AB we have to find out. So I will keep this AB square as it is, and then AC square minus BC square. Put value. What is AC square? AC value is 13 centimeter. It's square. And what is BC? It is 5 centimeter. Then it's a square. 13 square will be 169 centimeter square minus 25 centimeter square. Subtraction is 144 centimeter square. Now this AB square is equals to 144 centimeter square. Applying square root on both sides, then what you will get? 144 centimeter square. Applying square root on both sides. Applied, this square to square root will be cancelled. This AB equals to 12 centimeter into 12 centimeter. I can factorize this 144 centimeter in this way. So AB equals to 12 centimeter. What will be your AB? AB is 12 centimeter. Let us do next question. What is next question? A gardener has 1,000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that number of rows and the number of columns remain same. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. Let us see. A gardener has 1,000 plants. Total plants are 1,000. He wants to plant in these plants in such a way that number of columns must be equal to number of rows. Let us consider number of rows. Let number of number of rows are x, and then number of columns will be, then number of columns also x, then total number of plants will be, total number of plants will be number of column into number of rows. It will be x square. But according to this question, these total plants are 1000. Total plants are 1000. Applying square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. Applied, this square to square root will be cancelled. Now we need to find out square root of 1000. Let us find out square root of 1000 by division method. 3 3s are 9. Now see, 1 carry down next pair. Double of this is 6. Right. If I will write 1, then 61. If I will write 2, then it will be more than 100. 62 into 2, 2 to the 4, 2 6 are 12, which is more than 100. Now see, I will write 1, then it will be 61. Remainder is 9, and then 3. 39 is remainder. Now see, he want to ask, find the minimum number of plants. He needs more for this. It means we can't subtract this from the given number. Then it will be more or less. How many more plants he need? It means we have to add something to this 1000. So last question we have done. It means this 1000 is lying between the square of 31 and 32 square. This 32 square is 1024. So this 24 is the minimum number of plants that must be added to the given number of plants. We need 24 more plants in 1000 plants, so that number of rows and number of columns will become equal. So answer is 24. Answer is 24. One alternate method is also there. Suppose it was 61 and remainder is 39. If I will exceed it at one digit, at 2 if I will take it, 62 multiply with the 2, I will get 24. Although it will be, looks like, I will write that 124. It is larger number and it is smaller number. Direct I'm getting that number. If I will take one exceed this one, this 24, that minimum number that must be added to the given number. In all questions we can do in which we have to add. Then on what we are taking this digit, we are taking that number less than or equals to 100, but we have to take one more additional, one more digit. Suppose it is going on 1, then I will take that digit 2, exceeding 1 to that. Then I will get a direct remainder, this 24 or whatever be according to that question. That number I will get which must be added to the given number, so as it will become a perfect square number, or according to this situation, number of rows will become equals to number of columns. Next question. There are 500 children in a school. For a PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equals to number of columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? After finding its square root, what will be a remainder that I will see, and then I will tell how many students will be left out from this arrangement. After arranging these students in number of rows must be equals to number of columns. In this way, I will arrange student, and after arranging, how many students will be out from this arrangement that I have to tell. Let us see. Students are First of all, consider let the number of rows are x. Let the number of rows are x and then number of columns will be x. Total students will be number of rows into number of columns, that is x into x square. But according to question, these total students are given to us 500. Total students are given to us 500. Applying square root on both sides, square root on both sides. What it will be? X square, h square and 500. Square to square root will be cancelled. X is equals to root 500. Now find out square root of 500. Square root of 500. It is 2 to the 4. 1 carry down. Next pair. Its double will be 4. Right. Check out the digit. It is 2. 2 to the 4. 2 4 the 8. 84. You will write there 2 and then 2. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 8, 1. So how many students? 16 is remainder. How many students will be left out from this arrangement? 16 students will be left out from this arrangement. These 500 students we have to arrange in such a way that number of columns will be equal to number of rows. After arranging all students in such a way, according to our given condition, we got remainder 16. These 16 students are there which will be left out from the arrangement. These 16 students will be left out from this arrangement.